In business, it's all about wealth creation. As a business owner, as a micro, small, or medium business owner, if you're not creating that wealth and if you're just going into a survival stage, year after year, then probably time has come right now to rethink on the business model that you're already in and probably to make it to the next level. Because unless your business are scalable, it's not profitable, right? I repeat, unless is your business are scalable, your business is not profitable, right? Hi, my name is Avek business strategist and business coach and consultant equally as well. And I'm in this mission right now to help business owners like you to build a healthy and a scalable business equally as well. And, you know, uh, considering the ground of the fact of deep diving into four of my business ventures and then taking the call of surrendering to all the business mentors, global business mentors in the space of business management and business sales. That's where I came to understand that, it's all about the deep dive journey on ground. And most important to understand and go through those core learning curve. So whatever I'll be sharing right now, these are all deep golden nuggets and real time experience through the journey. And I'm sure this will definitely going to give you a 10x insights and strategies when it comes to taking the actionables way ahead and implementing same equally in your business way ahead as well. So without wasting much time, let's deep dive into the entire journey and take enough notes throughout the call, throughout the video that you are going through, and make sure that towards the end of the video there are some special gifts and updates. So wait till the watch till the end of the video so that you also become qualified or eligible for the best version of this and get the best out of this entire video, right? So let's dive in right away without wasting much time. So yes, as I was sharing that, when it comes to making wealth creation through business or taking the business from a survival state to a scalable state, what really matters is you need to understand, as a country, how the country is progressing and where we stand in today's day. I mean, gone are those days that wherein business would operate at a level of operations or finances, right? Now, the days are there wherein it is more to do with technology, and it is more to do with the deeper grounding of the market, right? Think about the fact that today India is already going to a revenue of $3.5 trillion, and where places and shares like Samsung and others are already investing into Indian market. Companies like Samsung or Tim Cook, CEO, the owner of Apple, they have already invested like $6 billion to $7 billion. Why do you think that all these big brands or global companies are investing back to India right now? Because it's a very clear strategy that when you explore the market, when you scale your market to the next level, you equally need to penetrate at all the levels wherever your target audiences are. So whether it is, if you're into B2C or business to consumer, you need to look for opportunity where can you go upon in terms of business to marketplace or business to business, right? If you're into business to marketplace, probably you have to look upon how you can deep dive and explore the bigger market of business to business, which is a B2B market, right? That's the same concept that's getting applied to all these global companies where they're exploring market and they're considering India as one of the prime potential market for that market. My question comes back to you as a small, medium, micro business owner. It doesn't matter what is your turnover, what is your volume of the business and size of business. Are you really getting onto this creation mode and you're thinking for your business model to take it to the next level when it comes to wealth creation and moving from the survival state to ensure that you explore to different level of audiences and markets, right? The next pointer which comes on the ground is today's consumption has gone way high, in terms of audience and market penetrations. So if we talk about our generations or maybe beyond that, our grandparents, in those days it were like almost 50 to 60% of consumption, 50 to 60% were there as savings on the ground, right? But today it has just gone opposite. It has gone to a huge level wherein in today's lifestyle culture, as per global general statistics, it's around 15 to 20% at the max that people do save, which means the majority of the amount which goes are into consumption. So, which means the people are ready to pay for the services and product that you are preparing on the market, right? So, as a middle class, as a upper middle class, people are actually moving to that zone where the major you are into your branding, your shopping, and all that display and all that stuff, it is working out. It is eventually working out, and people are and customer in today's date are very have a very deep concern about their emotion sentiments here, about their need, problem, issues, concerns, fears, and emotions. So if you can actually, you know, ensure that your product differentiator or your services or product are there in the market to create a product differentiator for which people are ready to pay the money on the ground, that's where you make the difference. So my question comes back is, what are where do you stand as a product differentiator in your market space? Yeah. And how do you make yourself different? That's the bottleneck. So if your product and services are like from ages and 10, 20 years, you have been in the business and there is no reinvention of the product and services, then probably time has come right now to build such services, right? And make it to the next level. Yeah. So that's where it comes when it comes to a consumption driven market or a community driven market for that matter. The next thing, so now for wealth creation, the next thing that comes on the table is India is a highly focused market when it comes to credit union or credit lending capacity kind of. Even if you talk global market in US, wherein companies like Verbo and others, they are doing excellent in terms of credit union capacity, and they're trying to capture. They actually have captured the entire market when it comes to consumer dominance or credit ratio for that matter. The same is applicable in India, especially post-COVID when the dominance has grown wider in terms of all the technology-driven approach, whether it has to do with GST, Aadhaar, or UPI, post the initiative of NPCI, where the UPI has grown like anyway. Even today, a rickshaw to a hotel neck, everyone is having this UPI-based transaction, which means that if as a business owner you are running a business without technology, probably you would be someone who will be losing bulk amount of clients and volumes on a day-to-day level, and also at a transaction level. It will not map your business environment for that matter. So you have to rethink on your business model, that how well you can equip your environment with more digitalization and with more factuals on the fact that these will be all based on pure client-centric, approach, or approach, and making it more relevance. Yeah. So you have to ensure that these things are already there on the ground, and this is where it make a lot of difference. And last but not the least is the customer acquisition cost. I think this is one of the area where most of the industry, they try to skip, or they don't try to get into the nutshell of it. But if you really talk on the ground of in cost engineering, or on the ground of fact of cost engineering factor or matter, then what really matters is the ground that what is the cost of acquisition of your target industry or your market or your customer penetration. You need to understand that accordingly. So let's say if you're into a manufacturing industry, so cost of manufacturing. If you're into production, into hotelier and restaurant, stuff like that, then probably cost of production of food in kitchen, right? If you are into service-based business or into a distribution-based business, so your cost of marketing. These plays essentially a very critical parameter. So accordingly, the ROI can be mapped as well. So at a bottleneck, if you're able to maintain, all these parameters, ensure that you go through this video again and again and take enough notes, because whatever I have mentioned, these are all golden standard strategies and proven nuggets. If you are able to maintain these and implement equally as well, you're probably in a zone where you will be moving from a survival mode to a wealth creation mode, right? So just ensure that you watch this video again and again. It might happen that you might not implement all of them, or you might not implement or go ahead with all of them, even if it's a 1% shift. How much? It's a 1% shift if you go through and implement as well. Probably any of these strategies that will bring the brainstorm in your business journey. Yeah. So with that, we come to the end of this video. And like I have already mentioned in the beginning, right, that if you watch till the end of the video, if you stay till the end of the video, then there are some bonanza gift which will be going to give it to you. So normally how it happens is generally when it comes to any of my one-to-one call where you book an appointment and get the right roadmap, actionables way ahead, kind of. So I generally charge around 1,000 per one-to-one call. But if you since you stay till the end of the call, so ensure that you're able to book a one-to-one call to get a roadmap for your business, and also to ensure that you are connected and so you keep on getting pop-up business insights like this. So just join in my Telegram or Facebook channels, preferably Telegram channels. So there you'll be able to get all the pop-up insights and videos way ahead equally as well, and ensure that you are then the journey. Keep it more way ahead equally as well. Till then, I'll be signing off here as of now. Look forward for the next video equally way ahead. Bye bye. Take care and keep suggesting that what is the next trigger or insights that would like to understand more on the comment. So I understand, what are other concerns or problems, fears, innovations that you're going through, basis on which I'll be sharing my next pop-up videos. Till then, I'll be signing off here as of now. Look forward for the next pop-up videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.